Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to Gone Rogue, a show where I help you become a kick-ass bartender because remember, drinking is no easy game. Today on this episode, I have decided that we will not drink. बहुत हो गया. क्यों नहीं पियेंगे? यार आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे. We are so close to 1000 subscribers and thank you for all the love you have shared with us. And today we will not drink, but I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to Gone Rogue, a show where I help you become a kick-ass bartender because remember, drinking is no easy game. On this episode, as I promised you, we will not be drinking, but because the summer is in town, I want to make you some really refreshing and delicious non-alcoholic cocktails. Yes, you heard it right. It is not mocktails, it is non-alcoholic cocktails. As beautiful as a cocktail, as complex and delicious. First one, I'm gonna get a nice cocktail shaker, get myself a nice tall cucumber, get a peeler, take a nice peel out. You can discard this, take one more peel out and leave that for a garnish. Now, you can slice up your cucumber into some easily manageable dices, 2 or 3 chunks into your shaker, get some nice fresh mint leaves, break them in. We've got some lime juice, about 25 ml, and a touch of elderflower syrup. Now, you can decide what syrup you want to go for. You can do plain sugar, you can do passion fruit, whatever syrup's available. I'm gonna take my muddler out and give it a nice smash. You really want to get all the flavors out into this drink. Load it up with some ice and give it the Gone Rogue shake. Looks nice and chilled because it's a non-alcoholic drink, guys, so you need to shake it harder. You want the ice to melt and come into really nice length. Take yourself a nice highball glass, load it up with ice, strain your drink down into your glass as easy. Nice color. Perfect. And this one's for all you diet lovers. The Swami 3 Cal Tonic. Perfect for sweetness, but does not give you those calories. So just give it a top. So refreshing, not too sweet, perfect for summers. That was a really refreshing drink, and now my bar counter is set. I'm gonna help you make another one, right? Now this one's a bit complex, but really refreshing flavor. We start with the shaker. A nice big pink grapefruit. Take out a nice thin slice out of it. I just love this color, man. I'll leave that for the garnish and then take out a big wedge. This, I'll juice it later. And this one, I'm gonna cut it into easy chunks. Get the grapefruit chunks into the shaker. Why are we using grapefruit chunks is because the peel has a great flavor in it and that will, of course, dial down into the cocktail. And then we're gonna have some fresh grapefruit juice. Yeah, perfect. So we've got that. Give it a touch of lime juice, about 15 ml. Don't go very high on the lime juice because the grapefruit's already a citrus, already very sour. So you don't want to make it too sour. A touch of sugar syrup, 20 ml into the drink. Give it a gentle muddle. Whoa, oozing out of freshness. Give it ice and give it a very easy shake. You don't want to shake it really hard because grapefruit is a delicate flavor, number one. Number two, we've squeezed in a lot of juice in there, so we have enough liquid to play with. Get a nice clean whiskey glass out. Get my grapefruit slice. Stick it to the edge. And now, load it up with some ice. Strain my drink into it. I love that color, man. Pretty pink. Smell of grapefruit. Perfect. And now I'm going to use the Swami Grapefruit Tonic. Of course, you can use whatever brands available to you, but preferably a grapefruit tonic. What Swami has done here is get such an amazing rich flavor of grapefruit, which I don't think is there in any good Indian tonic at the moment. So I chose to go with Swami. And there you have it, La Paloma. Cheers. Perfect. This one's again a very less sweet cocktail. As you can see, there's so much bitterness, so much sourness into it. There's hardly any sugar into it. So really gives you the nice balance of flavor, and you really want to feel the tonic water, right? If you overboard with sugar, you're not going to feel that tonic water and the quinine bit, the harshness that you get here. And that's how you make a fun Paloma cocktail. If you're not in a mood of being non-alcoholic, just add in a splash of tequila. It'll do wonders to this one. So let me get my bar cleaned up, and then I'm going to show you a very, very simple and international cocktail. So stay tuned. Now, I'm going to teach you a very, very simple drink. This is drunk by people all across the world. And yes, I know it might not be like really non-alcoholic, but it is non-alcoholic. So you get a glass, load it up with some fresh basil leaves. Nice aroma down there. A touch of lime juice. You can also do a touch of lemon juice, a touch of sugar syrup, as much as you need. Load it up with some ice and get myself a ginger ale. Ginger ale because it has its own sweetness, it has its own punch of ginger, and really refreshing and helps the basil stand out. So I'm just going to top it up. I'll wait for it. Perfect. You want to leave about an inch empty, and I'll tell you why. Give it a nice stir. Get the lime, sugar and basil to mix in together. Push the basil back down. There you go. And to garnish this, we have my favorite ingredient, bitters. Because yes, give nice 6-7 healthy dashes of bitters on top. Look at that. What a pretty color, right? Works wonderful. This one's called the basil lime bitters. Very simple. You have the lime, you have a touch of sugar, you have fresh basil, all done. Top it up with some ginger ale and a nice float of bitters on top. Looking sexy. Give it a nice stir. Get the bitters to mix in and enjoy. Super refreshing. The punch of bitters is there. There's a light touch of ginger, freshness of basil. Really amazing. And that's how you make super delicious non-alcoholic cocktails, right? Look at them. Super vibrant, and it's made from an all-Indian product. Yes, you heard me right. The brand is all-Indian, but yes, the tonic water, the liquid itself was invented in India. Super delicious cocktails, looking wonderfully vibrant. The first one is the cucumber elderflower fizz, some elderflower, some cucumber, some mint, all muddled up, lime and sugar. Loaded up with ice, nice shake, topped up with a 3-cal tonic. So really low on calories, but sweet and refreshing. The next one is a Paloma with grapefruit tonic, fresh grapefruit squeeze, lime and sugar, nice shake, beautiful looking glass. The third one is with the ginger ale. So we've got lime sugar, got a touch of basil, ginger ale, and a touch of aromatic bitters on top. Super delicious, super friendly, and beautiful. Non-alcoholic cocktail drinkers usually get ignored, and I don't want that to happen at your party. So make sure you get your proprietary bottles, whatever you need, and make your drinks look beautiful. And make us look beautiful by giving us a like and a subscribe to 3 Bar Stools. Cheers.